In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Replit's remix feature to copy, share, and save apps. If you've ever wanted a safe way to duplicate a project so you can experiment freely, collaborate with others, or keep a clean backup without touching the original, Remix is the tool designed for that. When you create a remix of a Replit app, you're not just making a shallow copy of a few files. Replit duplicates the entire project, including its environment, configurations, and installations. That means your dependencies, packages, and tooling are carried over, along with the project's runtime settings, so the remix behaves just like the original right out of the gate. This is especially helpful when you want to explore a new feature or refactor code without the risk of breaking something that's already working. Because the remix is a separate workspace, anything you try in your copy won't affect the original project. It's a safe sandbox for learning, testing, and iterating. Remix also makes sharing incredibly straightforward. If someone finds your project and wants to build on it, they can create their own remix and immediately have the same setup you used, from installed packages to configuration choices. That consistency saves time and prevents the works on my machine problem. For classrooms, teams, and open source communities, this creates a smooth onboarding path. Everyone starts from an identical baseline. Think of Remix as a reliable save point. When you hit a milestone in your app, creating a remix gives you a snapshot that you can return to at any time. It's a simple way to preserve known good states as you continue to develop new ideas in parallel. Once your remix is created, treat it like any other project. Give it a clear name so you can tell it apart at a glance. Run it to confirm everything is in place, and begin making changes with confidence. If your original project relies on special environment configuration, the remix carries that structure forward so you don't have to rebuild the setup from scratch. As you work, keep in mind that the remix is fully yours to customize. You can reorganize files, update packages, and adjust settings without worrying about upstream changes. And if you're sharing your remix with others, they can make their own copies too, sustaining a chain of consistent, reproducible environments that help everyone move faster. To recap, Remix is your go-to method for copying, sharing, and saving Replit apps by creating a full duplicate of the project, complete with environment, configurations, and installations. Use it to experiment, collaborate, and safeguard your progress with ease.